Introducing the latest in portable technology. This full washing machine with spin dryer is both compact and lightweight, making it ideal for camping or caravan trips. It features 2 tubs for washing and spinning, with a capacity of 3.6 kilos for wash and 2 kilos for spin, with a speedy 15-minute wash and 5-minute spin cycle. Washing machine, water fill hose and a comprehensive manual are all included, so simply add clothes, water and detergent and press start. Lighten your load in your next adventure with the portable washing machine.
Today I'm going to be reviewing the Panda PAN6320W portable washing machine. It's great for dorms, apartments, RVs, and tiny homes. I've installed one in an Airbnb for guests to use, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up. Panda sends along with the machine a quick change adapter for your bathroom or kitchen faucet. It's super easy to install, but it does not include plumber's tape. You'll need that if you don't want stuff to spray all over the place. Assemble the input and drain hose as displayed and plug it in, and then you're ready to go. The Panda has a capacity of 1.34 cubic feet, but what does that actually mean? Well, I'll demonstrate for you. Here I'm putting in some towels. So there's 1 towel, 2 towels, well, and that's it. It is relatively small, but great for quick loads and keeping up with your laundry. Here's another demonstration with clothing. There's 1 pair of jeans, some socks and underwear, and then we got some shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts. It's a pretty decent load of laundry. Because they're smaller loads, you really don't need to use very much soap, and so especially high efficiency soap will go a long way. It's not shown, but you can also add fabric softener into a special compartment. Now, I like to use the quick wash cycle. So you just press the program to number 3, then it'll show you what the water level is at. For quick cycle, it goes down to 4. I like it to be at 5, so I'm going to adjust that, and now you're ready. Press start. It says that it'll go for 23 minutes, and you're off to the races. Currently, it's displaying BB. AA is for soaking, BB for washing, rinsing, and spinning. It lets you know what it's up to. What I love about it is that you can walk away and it takes care of everything. And you can also open it. Unfortunately, there's an extremely irritating sound that comes along with it, but if you need to add more soap or see how it's doing, it's easy enough. Just press start and it will pick up where it left off. After the wash cycle is finished, it's going to drain so that it can apply fresh, clean water, and it does that all automatically. You can see in this image that there is also a lint collector, which you can clean out every time. It's pretty nice. It spins at 800 RPM, which is a little lower when you look at other modern washing machines, but for what you get for this price, it's fantastic. I think it runs relatively quietly, which is not saying very much because I don't find that washing machines are quite loud in the first place. I'm really happy with the machine. I don't have very many complaints. You can see how smooth it is, and while it's spinning, it doesn't move anywhere. So there is a sign of quality. I'm not in love with everything on the machine. The wheels that came on the machine are a little inadequate for what I need, and so I did buy a dolly in order to move it around more easily. The machine comes with 10 programs. Some of them are a little odd, like there's the difference between normal, which is 60 minutes, and standard, which is 47 minutes. I can't tell what is the difference, and it's also not explained in the guide. One thing that is really nice about this machine is that it does have a soak feature, which is something that you don't actually find on many washing machines at all, at any price point. And don't be fooled by the air dry feature. It only spins at 800 RPM, so after 60 minutes of air dry spinning, it's still going to be pretty damp. Probably easier just to put it on the line straight away. Once you're done, it's super easy to take off. Just pull it apart and drain the water. I like to store my hoses right in the machine to catch any drips. And then it's super easy to dolly it back into its little position, and you're good to go. So I hope that this review has helped you determine whether the Panda 6320W is the portable washing machine for you.
wanted to show you the washing machine working. You can set the timer here for 15 minutes, and then if you want to do it longer, you just reset it. And then after it is done washing, then I will set it to drain here, and all this water will drain out of there into the cement area. And then you have to refill it again and put it on rinse. And then after you rinse it, you put it in here, and it spins. Well, it doesn't, you can't see it while it's on, but that's the spin cycle. And that works really, really well. So, anyhow, thought I'd show that to you.